Well, I thought we'd have some fun with my customized EAP Performer 16-hole harmonica. That's kind of my daily player that I'm playing right now, and it has a custom ERGO button and sanded comb on top. It was already pretty airtight from factory. I love the look of those covers. They're beautiful. It is a premium, lovely harp. I think it's 110 bucks for the 16-hole, or like 90 something for the 12. But anyway, I thought you'd want to hear. We're going to play along with Novosibirsk Philharmonic out of St. Petersburg. Alim Shak is a great conductor. And we'll just kind of play along, have a little fun with it, and see what you think. Sure, SM58, Mike, nothing fancy there. Here we go. EAP 16 Easttop Performer. A lot of harp for the bread.